Hi everyone, myself Jehanya from SNS Academy. So today I'm going to do a small case study about how to make the children learn the spellings. So when you take the spellings, children hesitate to write because they don't want to write because they are afraid that they will make mistakes. So how to overcome this phobia? How to overcome the phobia of making mistakes, that is spelling mistakes, spelling errors by the children. So what you can do is, for the beginners, what we can do is, we can tell small words. For example, the first standard or the UKG child, what we can do is, we can practice the child by circling small words in the text or in the newspaper. For example, we can give a page, we can give a printed material, any material, it can be any material, and on the printed page we can write the word that the child has to practice. For example, THE, the. So we can write the on the top and the child can read the whole, they can search for the word and circle that word. So they have to pronounce the word and they can tell the spelling as well and search for the word and circle. We can give as many stars as they are finding. It becomes a habit for the child to ponder for the words in the page. This is one main exercise that you can give. Every day, all the words that are written can be made as a word wall, and it can be revised in the morning as well as in the evening. Then another one is, you can ask them to read on the calendars or any boards what are the words how many words they are able to identify. The running script in the news, the small words, if you can begin with small words on like that. Then what is the next important thing is, we can help them children to tell about the blends. The starting blend, the ending blend, how two letters can be blended and form the sound. Ch words, then spur words, then th sound, th words. All those we can practice them. For example, church, a bunch. So like that, ch means they'll have a different sound. So we have to make them to practice by watching the blends videos. So that will also help them to improve their spelling. It can be a starting blend or an ending blend. And O sound, long O sound words, all those sound words can be introduced to the children. And then what we can do is, we can syllabify the words. Suppose the child is in third standard or second standard or fourth standard, they'll have a bigger words. They'll have to memorize, they'll have to know the spellings of bigger words. And what we can do is, we can introduce them to the chin activity. So we can ask them to identify the syllables of the words. For example, when you take butterfly, butterfly is a big word for a normal child, for a third standard child. So the child will be very much, afraid to write the spelling. What we can do is, make the child to syllabify for each sound. But we can do this chin activity. Butterfly. So it can be split into three. B-U-T, fly. It's a 3-syllable word. Then you can go for handsome. So they can split the word into two, hand and some. So like that, peculiar. So like that we can differentiate into different syllables and make them to learn. This will help them. Thank you.